Hello there, everyone. Welcome to my kitchen. So I have a delicious summertime crock pot meal for you that is healthy, low carb. You're going to love it. Let me show you what I'm talking about. And these little sweet peppers are delicious. Now I'm going to serve this with some spaghetti, but this isn't just a normal spaghetti. I'm using the Carb Balance. It's higher in protein spaghetti. But listen, you can serve it with anything you want. You could just eat them just like this, or you could serve it with rice. You could serve it with a side of vegetables. Maybe take some zucchini and make some zoodles. I think that's what they're called, like the zucchini noodles or spaghetti squash. Anything that you want is so, so good. It's a wonderful summertime or anytime meal. And another thing that's really nice about these are they freeze really well. You could just stuff them and then freeze them. And then when you're ready to cook them, just let them thaw in the refrigerator overnight and then pour your sauce over them and then put them in your slow cooker and cook them. All right, so you will need a 1 pound bag of the mini sweet peppers. And I'm just cutting off the end, and then I'm just going to remove the seeds from inside of the peppers. All right, and then what I have here is a pound of Italian sausage. And I'm going to put on some gloves for this because I'm going to add my sausage to a mixing bowl and then add 1 egg, 1 cup of shredded mozzarella cheese, and then I'm just going to mix with my hand. Then I'm going to place the mixture into a Ziploc bag. Cut the corner off of that bag and then just stuff the peppers. And then use a jar of marinara. I'm using ragu. And you can cook them on high for about 4 hours or low for 6. Just look at these. They're beautiful. Then I'm going to add some shredded mozzarella cheese just on top. Cover it again until that cheese melts. And voila. I ended up with extra of the Italian sausage mixture, so I just piped little meatballs onto my cutting board here, placed them in the freezer until they froze, and now I'm just putting them in a freezer Ziploc bag because I'm going to use these for later. You could use them in like a Italian wedding soup or a minestrone, or you could even make like a spaghetti and meatballs, and they'd just be little miniature meatballs. All right, now it is time for the taste test. Just look at these. So delicious. If you love stuffed peppers, you're going to love these. Well, thanks so much for watching. Have a wonderful day. God bless. And as always, I will see you soon with more delicious recipes.